Those of you that watch my vlog on a regular basis will know that I'm a big fan of the Plaza. I always come in here every trip. I've stayed here a few times. So I just wanted to do a video to show you some of the improvements they've made to the property, which is substantial. And I think it's a really good choice as a downtown destination. So the slots in the Plaza are absolutely top-notch. I think a few years back I didn't come in here as much because I don't think they had all of the modern games. Some of them are a bit dated, but if you walk around now, all of the modern games are here. They've got all the ones with the curved screens, etc. Crazy Money Deluxe there, for example. And the whole casino has a really sort of bright and sort of happening vibe in it now. New carpets throughout, smells great. And there's everything here really a slot player could want. So this sportsbook has been redeveloped from what was here before at the Plaza, all new. They had a smaller one here, and then there's a bar area here as well, which is new. So it's yeah, very impressive. So let's take a look at the rooms at the Plaza. This is room 1251, which is in the South Tower. There's two towers here, north and south. I'll explain the differences in a moment. So this is a two-queen room. Very, very clean. I think all of the decor when these were remodelled a couple of years back was taken from the old Fountain Blue when that failed to open. So it was designed for that hotel originally, I think. And each room comes with one of these fantastic canvases, which obviously shows the Plaza back in the day when it was called Union Plaza. And the reason I want to show you this really is because as you know, I love Oscar's Steakhouse on the second floor here, and as I mentioned in my vlog last summer when Suzanne and I ate there, they converted the swimming pool into Oscar's restaurant. So you literally sit where you would in one of these seats and in the middle as well to eat your food now, whereas obviously once it was the swimming pool here. So they've done an excellent job to convert it. But can you imagine back in the day, swimming in that pool, lounging on one of those lounges and then looking down Fremont Street? How cool would that have been, eh? Wonderful. So the rest of the decor here, you've got obviously a telly. I'm not sure if that's it's just a drawer space really. Seating area. And then bathroom, all very clean. Your hanging space is here with ironing board, and your shower and toilet in there. Now, as I said, this is the South Tower. The North Tower opposite there is the one that looks down on Fremont Street on one side. So you're going to get more noise in those rooms than you would in these rooms. If you want the quiet life, if you're of a certain age like me and you want the quiet life, then I would suggest you go for the the South Tower. If you want to party, or you're going to be back after the street performers have finished for the evening, then go for the North Tower. And you can also see here the pool area down there. It's a bit shady, but I will do a separate walkthrough video of that shortly. So I think this is a really good downtown option now. I think they've done an awful lot to the casino, the pool area, the rooms. It's almost like a real new upgraded property, and you could do far, far worse than stay here, that is for sure. So that's the Plaza Queen Room in the South Tower. So the pool at the Plaza was refreshed in 2016, and they did a really good job with it. Now downtown you don't have a huge choice of properties with decent pools. It basically, in my opinion, comes down to two, downtown Grand and here. Purely because Golden Nugget, whilst the pool's pretty cool, it's crazily busy, and if you want to go to the Hideout pool upstairs, it's they charge the earth to stay there. So this is a really, really good option. So you got a sort of hot tub thing there, or spa. Now this is early in the season, so the bar service isn't on, and the cabana service isn't on. But you can see you got cabanas all along. I always like these lounges that are in the actual pool itself. It's pretty cool. So it's a great spot, and you got lounges that go all the way back as well. Love that Plaza sign. That's a real piece of Vegas history. That is. Actually, I guess they have outside gambling as well in the summer. And if you fancy a spot of tennis, you've got loads of courts. Look. You can also check in and out using this machine here. So I'm going to check out now. And it scans your ID, and it even scans foreign ID, so UK ID. So my driver's license here. There you go. I didn't think it would. I imagine it would do American driver's license, but it does foreign ones as well, which is pretty impressive. So room number 1251. So check out, continue. There you go, checkout complete. So you can do that both ways, so in theory you don't actually have to speak to anybody to check in and out of the Plaza. And also last night I even ended up a winner. Listen people, what's not to like? Oh my word! I have an apocalyptic win on the way back to the room. How much is it? Ready? 3, 2, 1. 706. Oh my word! That's unbelievable. The final thing I like about the Plaza is what it looks like at night. That's proper old school Vegas, that. Absolutely fantastic.